side of St. Paul. And I'm so grateful for tonight. It's a big win for all of us. Thank you to my wonderful team. Thank you to our donors, our volunteers, everyone who came to do everything from door knocking to phone banking to doing data entry, putting stamps on literature pieces. Every single thing that we did, it made a difference, and it was possible because of every person who made that happen, with the single or many different actions that you took. And all of this is not for Nelsie Yang, but it is for a vision of progress that no matter, what our race is, what our sexuality, gender, age, ability, class, that we are a community where every single person can thrive. That is what this campaign is all about. That is what our campaign is truly all about. It is about all of us and the vision that every single person, that they can thrive and that we create that progress through the power of community. And we made that happen. And you know what? We made it happen even when there was a group of folks who pooled money over $300,000, not just in my election, but many elections across St. Paul, to try and make sure that progressive candidates like us wouldn't get reelected. That was what our campaign fought against. But you know what? We still won, even with another group, trying to organize over $300,000 to defeat us. And you know what that means? It means that the power of people, that is something that is going to always ensure that we win in the very end. Is that right? We win through the power of people. And so I am so proud of every single person, who is a part of our movement and supported us, like in St. Paul here, through the work of, my past 4 years and working with my colleagues, working across different partnerships at the county, at the state, federal level, and so much more. In the east side here, I'm so proud that we've been able to build more deeply affordable housing in St. Paul and the county. We invested over $74 million to build deeply affordable housing right here in our city and county. And we also have so many businesses that are booming and happening and getting developed in the east side here, which is just something that we have never really seen before. And so there is so much progress that we have created together. Like in St. Paul, we now even have a rent stabilization ordinance that would cap rent too. And through the power of people, we were able to make that happen. We continue to fight for livable wages, for our workers to have great workers' benefits, and for us to make sure that we continue protecting working families at the end of the day. And so I'm so proud of this work, and I know that, there's still so much more work to do. So the next 4 years, I can't wait for us to be here again to celebrate all the progress that we have been able to make possible because of all of you. And soเขาเก็บไว้ใต้ก็ให้เตรียมคุณต้องเชื่อให้เตรียมมันเอาไปหอมมันจะกี่ยิ่งnhớ cho cụ rất cái tin nó chỉ họ cụ bỏ bên bỏ nó hay chỉ mua ít cho công hậu rồi họ chỉ sạc ở bên không có cái gì li nó chỉ là thế li họ cái nhà tàu li cái tàu chở bên bỏ tiền này ở cái bên họ mua cái sữa tất sĩ ya vì mua sợ đời để nó thế cho chở bên bên lúc trả lúc rồi thế bao nhiêu bác sĩ bên lúc campaign thế chỉ ta linh tới họ mua cái bé sinh trong tôi bằng bà gì bé họ tàu kia bé họ cho 1% trong món nồi bé họ yên kia nữa, 我就顾保还点，因只摸来只我你只要摸着差不多的就被成我老给头被洗讲地呢，就被摸给印错着呢。That is the big takeaway， 我哋一頭我顧到出論。So 一頭後邊嗰種我顧種寫係點俾印咯，我到整到俾落住到有間到落把參加咗呢我後來個落後我後來落佢咩佢知啊個就到來聽。nhớ đâu hồi sáng giờ nó bị đi chỉnh nhà chỉ nó đâu cho hơi lì thế chỉnh gì thế sau bây giờ la lụa cờ sau đó họ mua cái bánh mình thì thế thì tận đây nó bị chỉnh mua nó đâu cho hơi lì ôi thì cứ tao chỉ tao cho thầu tận đây nó bị họ tao đã có là celebrate đi non gì celebrate hết tiền nhớ đâu họ bị luôn trong nó bị họ là chỉ tao đi trả ba trăm cái sau đó có sau lúc chỉnh mua sau đó không có cái bánh mình nữa so ở trong tao一种节目呢，就你要晓得这个英文呢，就要晓得这个英文。So thank you so much everyone for being a part of our campaign, and this win is for all of us.